We are back. Okay, so guys, that was not a trailer for episode 2 of Angry Birds Doctor Who. I was originally gonna upload it, but for some reason, I lost the episode, so I can't upload it. Sorry guys. And also, why can't I just make the episode? Well, the main reason is because I also lost the Dalek figure. But however, I do have a substitute. I have these Lego Daleks, which I got from this Lego Doctor Who set. Anyways, this is actually a trailer for a new series. So what's the series gonna be about? Well, duh. Angry Birds. Oh no, don't explode. Don't explode. Don't cheer. Ow. Anyways, that's all for this video. Bye.